as the city opens up, the national capital, Delhi, opens up, the challenges for many professions are in fact increasing. They have to adhere to strict hygiene measures, specifically talking about, and it takes to a different level when there is close physical proximity, the relationship of a therapist and his patient. And for physiotherapists, while now they are opening up, it also requires not only for them to instill a level of confidence into their patients, but also to maintain high, strict hygiene measures. I spoke to one of the top physiotherapists in the national capital, Dr. Saif Naqvi, who in fact treats a lot of cricketers of the Indian cricket team as well, about how life has changed for him and his profession post-COVID-19. The post-corona world has completely changed everything that we knew before the virus hit us. That includes not only sports, but also physiotherapy and sports medicine. This person that you see behind me is a physiotherapist, that's Dr. Saif Naqvi. And for most of you who have, in fact, run your throat hoarse, cheering and shouting for Suresh Raina in the mask and a cap, you possibly won't be able to realize that it's Suresh Raina sitting here. But things have completely changed. He's come to Dr. Saif Naqvi, who has been, one of the most well-known physiotherapists in the country. And Dr. Naqvi, the last time I saw you, तो आप मुझे पहचान में आ रहे थे, अब तो पता ही नहीं चल रहा है कि अंदर कौन है इसके.
Post and pre-COVID times have changed interaction of people a lot, and what you see is like this is the most we can do for our patients, being more careful that we don't transmit the infection, and plus teaching them and making them know about the personal hygiene. So what you see is a COVID suit where it doesn't prevent us to interact with the infection, the virus which is in the air, and plus when you come to us, you will see that we take care of the utmost hygiene, which is the primemost thing nowadays.
I'm going to talk in detail about what you do, but before that, let me just speak to Mr. Raina here. You just had a session.
Yeah, it was good.
And after how long?
I think almost 3 months now. I met him a couple of days back. So I was a bit curious what sort of a guideline I have to do it. But he's been always professional. He's been always guiding me in a manner. I have to look after my knee because I had an operation in Holland. So I have to see the mechanism I had in my knee and glutes and the back. It's been tough, but let's see. Hope everything gets better and we come good all the way.
क्रिकेट कैसे चेंज होगा? मतलब बहुत लोग क्यूरियस होंगे. यूरोप में फुटबॉल स्टार्ट हुआ विदाउट स्पेक्टेटर्स, बहुत सारे रूल्स चेंज हो गए. एज अ क्रिकेटर आपको क्या, व्हाट इज द फ्यूचर, हाउ आर थिंग्स गोइंग टू चेंज?
It will happen whenever it has to happen. जो भी टाइम होगा, जो भी गाइडलाइन देगी ICC, BCCI, जब भी आपको खेलना होगा, चाहे वो IPL हो, उससे पहले कोई डोमेस्टिक टूर्नामेंट हो, तो वो उनका गाइडलाइन होगा, क्या करना, प्रिकॉशन करना पड़ेगा. बट एट द सेम टाइम वी नीड टू सी कि वैक्सीन कब आएगी. इंपॉर्टेंट टू गिव दैट एक्स्ट्रा हैंड कि जो सिक्योरिटी होगी, सेंस ऑफ लिविंग जो चीज़ है इंपॉर्टेंट है लाइफ में, वो ज़्यादा मैटर करेगा देन जो चीज़ें होंगी. विल सी हाउ इट टेक्स.
Mr. Raina, thank you so much for speaking to us. It's been an absolute pleasure.
तो आपसे तो हाथ भी नहीं मिल रहा.
आपसे हाथ मिला. Yeah, we'll do with that only. So that's the new change in the COVID world. Doctor साहब, ये बताइए कि once I walk in, I am a new patient. I walk in. What is it? How have you changed? What will you do for cleanliness?
Whatever has been used will be thrown away.
Yeah.
You will see these sheets go because these are disposable sheets, and we use them because these are disposable. Beneath these, you'll see plastic wrapping.
Yeah.
We will sanitize this because we can't leave the foam, which has more surface area and the bacteria clinging to this. So this is the flexible sheet used for lays and all those wrappers. So I have particularly asked the people to give me the sheet, which is not available in the market.
Yeah.
It is elastic sheet. You stretch it and you wrap it. Then you go and I'll throw it away.
Okay.
So I have found this one. This is such a big band that I can just keep using it for months.
Yeah.
It's a big thing.
Yeah.
And then when you, I am going to sanitize it with my alcohol, which you see the spray there.
Yeah.
So I'll use that spray everywhere on my suit, my hands, change the suit, sanitize the handles that you use.
Yeah.
You can see this chair that I can see, but
It's just
you
been
can
sanitized,
see,
yeah.
there's the foam, the fumigations, things, bubbles on there.
Yeah.
And everything will be thrown away, and it will take around 10 minutes for me to, change it. Come towards me. Come towards me, like that. Yep. Go down, pick it up, and then bend it. Come close. Here it is.
Right, so that was my post-corona physiotherapy session. The first one, thanks to Dr. Saab. Everything in my body has cracked, and though I'm feeling much lighter now, but this is the new reality. This is the new post-corona physiotherapy experience. Doctor in a full PPE and a patient with a mask, waiting, hoping that what he is doing, he's able to see and doesn't misstep anywhere. With Dinesh Lal, Ankit Tyagi in New Delhi, India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.